If you thinking about Vikings, I have some Viking laws for you. So, let's dive headfirst into the brutal world of the Vikings. We're talking axes, shields, and some of the most savage laws ever enforced. Imagine getting punished so brutally it makes your hair stand on end. And the craziest part? This isn't some fantasy movie. These laws were real and enforced back in the day. We're about to uncover 5 Viking laws so shocking, you'll be thanking your lucky stars you weren't born in the age of these Scandinavian warriors. Get ready to have your minds blown, because some of this stuff is seriously next level. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video, and let me know in the comments which law you found the most insane. I'm genuinely curious to see what you guys think. First up, we've got the stuff of nightmares, the Blood Eagle. This wasn't just some Viking campfire story. This was a real punishment for the worst kind of criminals, traitors. Imagine this. They'd tie the condemned person down, carve their back open, and spread their ribs out like giant, grotesque wings. Talk about brutal. But they didn't stop there. Oh no, they would then pull out the poor guy's lungs through the gaping hole in his back, leaving them to gasp for air like a fish out of water. It was a slow, agonizing death, and the Vikings believed it was a one-way ticket to a guaranteed bad afterlife. Ouch! Next, we've got outlawry. Think of it like getting cancelled Viking style. If you broke a serious law, the Viking community could vote to make you an outlaw. What did that mean for you? Well, you were basically a walking target. Anyone could kill you without any consequences. Yep, you heard that right. No trial, no jury, just straight-up Viking justice. Being an outlaw meant you lost all your rights and possessions. Your family, friends, even your dog wouldn't dare help you. You were on your own. Think you can handle some heat? Well, how about holding a red-hot iron? Or maybe taking a dip in a boiling cauldron? Welcome to trial by ordeal. This was the Viking way of determining guilt or innocence. And let's just say, it wasn't for the faint of heart. The accused would have to endure some crazy, painful challenge like those I just mentioned. If they survived, they were considered innocent because the gods were on their side. If not, well, let's just say they were out of luck. Talk about high stakes. It makes you wonder if anyone ever volunteered for a second trial. Ever get into a fight with someone and wish you could just duke it out? Well, the Vikings had you covered with Holmgang. This was basically a legally sanctioned duel, Viking style. 2 dudes with a grudge, Holmgang. Property dispute, Holmgang. They'd meet on a designated piece of land, usually a small island or a clearing, and go at it until one of them was pushing up daisies. And the best part? The winner was considered right in the eyes of the law. Talk about letting your fists do the talking. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, this is insane. Was there any law and order in Viking society? Well, kind of. They had something called Wergild, which was basically a system of fines for injuring or even killing someone. Here's how it worked. You messed up and hurt someone. You paid their family a Wergild based on their social status. The more important the person, the higher the price. Sounds simple, right? Well, not always. Sometimes the Wergild was so high it led to more violence and feuds. It was like a never-ending cycle of revenge and bloodshed. All right, guys, there you have it. 5 Viking laws that are sure to make you grateful you're living in the 21st century. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty lucky right now that I don't have to worry about getting my ribs ripped open or fighting a duel to the death. If you enjoyed this crazy journey into the world of Viking justice, hit that like button like it owes you money. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Seriously, which one of these laws did you find the most unbelievable? Let me know in the comments below. I'm dying to know. Peace out.